Give clichés a break. Crafting original English expressions. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to be diving deep into the world of English expressions. Specifically, we're going to be focusing on avoiding clichés and creating original expressions. This is a brilliant way to make your English more engaging, and more importantly, uniquely you. Before we jump into creating original expressions, let's first understand what a cliché is. A cliché is an expression that has been overused to the extent that it loses its original meaning or novelty. Phrases like, as easy as pie, break a leg, or, in the nick of time, are examples of clichés. They are not necessarily bad. However, relying heavily on clichés can make your language sound unoriginal or stale. Now that we know what clichés are, it's important to identify when you're using them. Listening carefully to your own speech and writing can help. Consciousness of clichés is the first step to avoiding them. So, you've identified some clichés in your language use. What's next? Now, it's time to replace them with original expressions. Here are some steps you can take to craft your own. 1. Think about the meaning of the cliché. What is the underlying message of the cliché you want to replace? For instance, as easy as pie basically means something is very easy. 2. Identify relevant personal experiences. Draw from your own experiences to create an original expression. If you think making a sandwich is very easy, you could say, it was as easy as making a sandwich. 3. Be creative. Don't limit yourself. English is a flexible language that loves creativity. Play with words, metaphors, and similes. Just make sure your expression makes sense in the context you're using it. Remember, the goal is not to avoid clichés at all costs, but rather to enhance your English expression with more original thoughts and experiences. Alright, that wraps up our discussion on avoiding clichés and crafting original expressions in English. Remember, being original with your language use makes you more engaging to listen to and read. So, go ahead and start creating your unique expressions. Happy learning, and as always, keep practicing and exploring the beauty of the English language.